Louise, welcome back to my channel, and today we've got another client makeup tutorial. We're giving you glam. So I'm gonna start up with cleansing the face. I'm gonna be using the Garnier Micellar Cleansing water. I love using this because it just gives a very clean even base for you to start, like cleanses the face really good. I'm going to be going in with the Duo Lash Glue to lay down the eyebrow hairs. This just gives a very laid look to the brows. I'm not going to go in with my Morphe spoolie, and I'm just going to brush it in place. Brush it a bit up and just to the shape that I want it to be. And as I brush it, I tend to press it down a bit so it goes laid just like natural hairs. I'm then gonna go in with the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. I just use this eyebrow pencil in the shade 5. I'm gonna outline the brows, so I'm gonna follow the natural curve of her natural brow. So I'm just gonna outline the tail end, just the bottom and on top. And then I'm gonna proceed to fill in the brows. I've got a detailed brow tutorial on my channel, so check that out. I'm gonna put the link down below as well. I'm going to use the eyebrow pencil to kind of fill in the sparse areas. I'm going to kind of put hair-like strokes like so, and then I'm going to darken the tail end. And then I'm going to proceed by kind of using my concealer to highlight under the brow. I'm using the Maybelline concealer in the shade Tan. I'm just highlighting the arch area like so, just the middle part of the brow, and then I'm blending it out. All products used today will be in the description bar below. I'm using her foundation shade to do the top, the front side of the brow, and also the tail end. So just make sure it blends. So that's why I'm using the foundation shade. I'm using the L'Oreal Paris True Match Foundation in the shade N9. I'm using that on the top, the front side of the brow, and on the ends. And then I'm blending. I'm using the small brush I got from Lidl to kind of tap and blend the concealer in. Brows done, I'm going to proceed with my eyeshadow. I'm using the Louise base in Rumor O to kind of prep my lid, and then I'm blending it out with a brush I got from Amazon a long time ago. So I'm just tapping it in just to make sure the Louise base is blended in. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe palette. This is my Morphe 3502 palette. I'm going in with the red shade there, and then I'm just packing that onto the mobile lid, just like so. I'm still using another shade, another brush. This brush I also got from Lidl. Lidl is like a convenience shop. I would say like Walmart or like Target for people not in the UK, and I got this brushes really cheap. I'm just using this to pack it in the color. I'm using this vibrant red shade. I'm just going to make sure all the colors are saturated on the lid, and then I'm going to use my Morphe brush. This is a Morphe blending brush, and I'm just going to blend out the ends in light circular motions. I'm gonna go in with my Duo Lash Glue. I'm putting a spot there and a spot at the end, and I'm just gonna put in some stones there, just accessorize this look a tiny bit. And then I'm gonna put in the lashes. I got these lashes from, I think I got it from AliExpress. If you're enjoying this video so far, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell as well, So I'm currently cleansing the face with the Garnier Micellar water. Then I went in with my Embroyolise cream. This is a fab cream. It just moisturizes the skin and acts as a primer as well. I'm then going in with my ABH liquid highlighter. This is in the shade bronze, and I'm using this on the high point of her faces, where I would usually just to bring the light to those places, and I'll just blend this out. Then I'm going in with my Loreal True Match foundation in N9. I'm just going to use this to kind of even out her skin. I love this foundation. It's not full coverage, but it gives a very nice kind of coverage, and it just has a very luminous look to it. It brings the shine to the face, and it photographs well as well. So I'm just going to buff this in just like so, and just make it quite skin-like. So I'm kind of buffing it in at the same time, swirling a tiny bit, because I just want it to blend. And then I'm going in with like a sponge or like a beauty blender, or you could use your Real Technic one. I got this from AliExpress as a gift actually. I bought some things and I got this as part of it, and it's really soft. So I use this to kind of further blend the foundation into the skin. So I'm currently going in with my Makeup Academy lipstick in the shade red, and I'm just blending out using this as a blusher. So I'm just blending it into the cheeks just like so. Just on the jaw, just on the high points of the jaw, just because I love my blushes to be a bit high. So I'm just blending it in, and it just gives, I love using cream blushes nowadays because I just love the way it blends. And I'm using this very lovely color from, it's a lipstick, but I'm using this as a blusher today. I highlighted the eyes with a concealer under the eyes, the tip of the nose, the forehead, the chin area, the usual way I highlight. And I went in with my foundation just to further contour the nose. I'm not using contour colors, I'm just using the Loreal True Match in N9 to kind of contour the nose. And then I'm going in with my Huda Beauty powder in the shade Kunufa to set under the eyes and also the forehead, everywhere I've kind of highlighted. And then I'm doing a reverse contour as well with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake powder. And then I'm bronzing with my Zulu palette. This is the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. I'm just bronzing it like so with the brown color there. I'm also using the blusher, the pink shade there in the Zulu palette as a blusher, and I'm just kind of putting it in the high point of our cheeks as a blusher, just like so. I'm then going in with my Technic highlighter. This is in the shade, I think it's 24 karat gold. Very nice highlighter. And now I'm using the MAC powder. This is darkest, I believe, a MAC skin finish. I'm using this to kind of blend all the colors together. I then went in with a black eyeliner from Primark to kind of line the waterline, and then I used the red again to kind of smoke out under the eyes and to connect the colors. Going in with my MAC lip pencil in the shade Chestnut, just to outline the lips like so, just to give a very nice brown. And then I went in with H&M Pink Lippy, and I used MAC gloss on top. And now I'm going in with my Loreal mascara, and I'm just putting mascara on the bottom lashes just to make it a bit pop. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know what you think of this look, and subscribe.